Hello students, welcome to the Set Square Academy. My name is Akshay Desai, the founder and one of the faculty member of this academy. We are offering coaching for both diploma and degree engineering. Now for second semester diploma we are offering basic mathematics, then engineering mechanics, engineering drawing, then C programming and BEE. And for degree engineering we are offering applied maths 2, then engineering drawing and structure programming approach, that is SPA. Now, why we are different from others? Along with the theoretical lectures, we are also going to provide the practicals. Now for degree second semester, along with engineering drawing, you will be having the AutoCAD practicals, which is carrying 50 marks, and also along with SPA, that is structure programming approach, you are having C programming practicals. Now, when you go to industry after completion of your engineering for job, they'll see your practical knowledge. Your theoretical knowledge is hardly tested. So there, if you see the AutoCAD, nowadays different softwares are used for design, especially for mechanical and civil engineers. But AutoCAD is the basic of all those softwares. Okay. Then that means if you know the AutoCAD very well, then other softwares will be easy to learn. Again, that is C programming is the basic of computer and IT engineering. That means other programming languages are developed from C. So it will be basic for them. Now for those practicals session, will be after successful completion of that course, we will be providing the certification for both AutoCAD and C programming. That will be helpful for you when you apply for job. Then we are having 3 centers like Thane, Aravali and Gansoli. All are at a walking distance from station. Then for your reference, we have put some demo lectures. You can see how the teaching methodology is. Along with the practicals, one more thing I want to highlight about the subject engineering drawing. For engineering drawing, I'll be using, I myself will be teaching that subject. So I'll be using some specially designed 3D models, because I have observed that many of the students finding it difficult to visualize the things in 3 dimensions. So I have developed some special models, so that will be helpful for theory lecture also. Then we are having a team of all experienced faculties. All of them are having experience of teaching in different coaching institutes as well as colleges. We are all aware about MSBT and Mumbai University syllabus, and then we are going to focus what is important from university exam point of view. Then we will focus on more things, and we believe in practical knowledge than just theoretical knowledge. Okay, so welcome again to the Set Square Academy. Hope to see you again. Thank you.